So we how to count how many blocks are there. It's pretty easy, right, Brandy? 这个应该挺简单的，对不对？但是我跟你说啊，数错可不好了。Okay, so Elaine, let me just review this with you. I don't know if you still remember. When I teach you this one, I ask you to count them by layers. Remember? And this layer could be from bottom to the top or from left to the right. Okay, count by layer. So I'm going to starting with the bottom one. So 3 times 3, and this one is 2 times 3, and the next one is 1 times 3 and 1 times 3. So that's why it's 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3. So the answer is 21. Get it? Okay, so let's take a look at number B. Okay, so boys and girls, I want you to try to count B. So how many blocks are there? And after you did that, please send it to me by chat. Okay, let me see.
Just B.
Just B, yeah. So how to go? Okay, very good. Athene is the first one. Congratulations, Athene. Brandy is the third one. Potato King is the second one. Okay, 第一名、第二名、第三名啊。Athene, 第二名 Potato King, 第三名 Brandy. Very good. All of you get it right. Elaine, Chapter, all of you get it right. Okay, 我们给还没有发给我的小朋友一点点时间。Okay, just 1 second. Give them a little bit time. I trust them. They can do it. Okay, I have received Avens in chapters. Very good. So Lilac and Brandy is already do the second one, Brandy. Okay, Brandy, 你这样先做了肯定第一名. Okay, Brandy is 第一名. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this question actually, let me just tell you, there are actually more than one answers, okay? But most of you get it right. So let's take a look at this one. Why? Because you know, this layer actually block a lot of things. Understand? Because if in the bottom there's a 1, it could be blocked by this one. No, it cannot be. Yeah, you're right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the first layer is 3. So it's 15. So everybody, this time we're doing from right to left. Are you the same? Okay. So the third one, we don't have to count at all because it's a cube with the size of 3. So we just do 3 times 3 times 3. And Potato King and Brandy, very good. You both get it right. So 27. Good job. Okay, so now let's move forward to a little bit harder. Okay, number D. Number D, 我看起来有点头晕啊，小朋友。Number D 我看起来有点头晕，但是我会把它放得大一点。Okay, so you're going to do the number D. How many? How many blocks are there? Number D. Okay, very good. Good job, all of you. And I have received Potato Kings. I have received Elaine chapter. Okay, Athene is the first one who said, oh, no. Lilac actually is the first one sent it to me. Good job, Lilac. Give me 5. 哎，你们看一下 Lilac 如果变成兔子了，能不能 give me 5 ？Lilac 把手伸起来，不行。Lilac, give me 5. Good job. Good job. Okay, good job. Okay, so Brandy is the second one. Very good. 22. Good job. It's very good, all of you. So now I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so this time A, B, C, D, 4 questions. Okay, you're gonna tell me how many blocks are there all together in one row. So all of you send me the 4 questions at the same time. 好，小朋友们，我跟大家说一下，如果你的答案是这样子，比如说是16、32、43、51 ，understand? So 4 different questions. Get it, everybody? Evan 加油 ，Chapter 加油。
Wait, where do we need to do?
A, B, C, D. Cindy 一共4道题呢，你发给我3个。Okay, I have received Lilacs, the first one, and a Potato King. You know what? Your answer and Lilac's answer is, a lot of them are different, except the first one. So everybody just to count carefully, sorry, don't count it carelessly. Because you know what? The easiest questions is always come like, maybe it is very hard. Okay, how about me? Athene, you only sent me 3 answers, but there are 4 questions. Yeah. Okay, Brandy. Oh, Athene, find out. Okay, Lilac has sent me a different answers. Lilac, number. Did you have some typo?
Wait. Okay, I sent the new answers.
Okay, so I'm going to start to explain, okay, everybody? So the first question, we still count by layers. So the first layer, there's no problem, 3 by 3. Everybody, don't you agree with me? Yes? Yes? Enzo? Yeah, 没声音了，没声音，老师走了，我也走了，我也没声音了。Okay, so let's have a class with no sound at all. 把声音打开，快点，讨厌。So 3 times 3 equals 9, right? So the second layer is just a 3 times 3 minus 1. Evan, the fish, right? So it's 3 times 3 minus 1. So the third layer and the fourth layer is the same thing. It's 5 plus 5. So it's 9 plus 8 plus 10. So the answer is 27. So how many of you get it right? Okay, so next one. So 3 times 4 is the first layer. Second layer is what? Second layer is 1, 2, 3. Okay, we could do this one. This one we should do like blocks. So 3 by 3. I'm going to from the right to left. So next one, 3 by 4. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 9, 12, and 9. So the answer is 30. Okay, get it? Oh no, I think this one has one. Should be 31. I'm sorry. 30 or 31. Number B, 30 or 31. I'm going to count it as right. Okay, so Lilac is right. Brandy is right. Potato King, you just make one mistake. You just give me an extra one. Chapter's right. Potato King before is right. So I still think you're right. Okay, Potato King. Athene is right. Good job. Enzo, where are you? Where's your answer? Elaine, where's your answer? Okay, so number 3. Number 3 is the easiest because it's just like cake. Okay, so layer by layer. 4 times 4, 3 times 3, 2 times 2, 1 times 1. So 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. So the answer is 30. Okay, Potato King, good job. 30, you're right. And Lilac, you're right as well. And chapter 知道记住错了。Potato King 后面改对了。Lilac 这个26错了，对不对？ Okay, Athene again get it right. 小朋友们看一下。So I want to just explain a little bit more for these ones. So what is 16 equals to, everybody? 4 squared, 3 squared, 2 squared, and 1 squared. They all have a name. It's called square number, okay?
No, but we used to call it 4 thingy, 3 thingy, 2 thingy, 1 thingy.
Yes, very good. So this is 2 thingy. This is 3 thingy. Okay, so now let me ask you a very simple question. When you have 4 squared, Enzo, if we're calculating area, perimeter, and or volume, so 4 square will be kind of like close to which one?
4 square volume.
Yes, and no, it's area. Okay, volume is cube. Volume is 3 thingy. Everybody, right? Okay, we go back to this one. Let's see. 我们看到前面的那题就是 volume. 看一下，没有了。So this one. Yeah, this one. Where's it? Well, yeah, number C. Brandy did it. Brandy, I still remember Brandy did the first one. This one is volume. So 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 cube. So this is a volume. Understand, everybody? Okay, when you see something is having the cube on top of it, or we call it 3 thingy, that means that's volume. And if you see the 2 thingy on the unit, that means that is area. Okay, nothing, it's perimeter. So let's take a look at this one. So this one's having a hollow part. So all we need to do is just a 3 times what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5. And minus what? Minus 1 times 2 times 5. So the answer is what? Everybody, I don't want you to calculate out, okay? So that is the thing. A lot of students have said, Carrie, why your student is so good at math, okay? The thing is, our class is not only just based on one thing. We're just always adding something extra. So let's take a look at this one. If you, Elaine, calculated 9 times 5 equals 45, okay? 2 times 5 equals 10. Of course, you can do that, but I don't want you to do this way. I want you to think about it. Both of the equation, Brandy, take a look, okay? That is the most important part that could help you to learn a lot of things. So we have 3 times 3 minus 1 times 2. Get it? So bracket times 5. You don't have to really calculate them out. So that's why this is 7 times 5 equals 35. So a lot of students said, 老师，我觉得 45 minus 10 is even easier. Of course, but if I give you some questions harder, everybody take a look, okay? So 3 and 1 over 8 times half minus 1 over 8 times half. If you're calculating this one, it's going to take forever. But for me, I can just give you the answer by just looking at it. Why? Because Kim Potato, they both have power time half, right? And all you need to do is just this number minus this number. So 3 and 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8 equals what? Equals 3. So 3 times 1 over 2 equals 3 over 2. Get it, everybody? Okay, we're going to just quickly practice this method because you know what? This method is going to be well used when you're grade 8 and grade 10. Okay, there are a lot of questions based on this technique. But the thing is, when your classmate is still like struggling, you learn it when you're like 1 year old. Okay, so let's just do this one. Okay, so for instance, Elaine, take a look. So 4 times 28 minus 3 times 28. Get it? What is the answer? Don't have to do anything. 28. Do you understand? Because this is 428 minus 328. So all we need to do is 4 minus 3 times 28. So the answer is 28. Do you understand, everybody? Okay, because what I don't want you to do 4乘以28等于102啊，不对，112，对不对？这边呢等于74啊，这很麻烦，很容易错，对不对？It's very possible to make mistakes. So instead we have like something like that. Okay, understand, everybody? If you don't understand, you can stop me right now. Brandy, do you understand? Ansel? Chapter? 懂的啊。不懂跟老师说，因为老师上课很快 ，OK， 没关系，你们就直接问老师好了啊。Evan 懂吗 ？OK， 好，那我们再来看 3.2 times 2.8 plus 6.8 times 2.8. Who can give me the answer directly? OK, turn on your camera. 把那个打开，声音打开。嗨，没有人知道啊？我觉得肯定有人知道，告诉老师。想一想，这个题目里面都有什么 ？They both have times 2.8 and times 2.8. Now all we need to do is what? 3.2 plus 6.8 equals what? Equals 10. 10 times 2.8 equals what? 28. 啊，有人不知道吗？明白了没有？ Understood? Understood? Right? It's much quicker and much quicker. By looking at it, I can give you the answer immediately. Okay, 好。1.11.8 times 11 minus 1.8 times 11. Who can tell me the answer? Immediately. You can do it.
Wait. Um, 110.
Very good. Who said it? Good job, Randy. Very good. Why? Can you explain it to us?
11.8 minus 1.8 is 10.
Mm-hmm. So
10
10
times 11 is 110.
Very good, very good. The reason why we're doing this，有一些小朋友，很多小朋友都不懂，为什么？因为你们在学乘法的时候，老师没有教过你们 what is the meaning of really the multiplication. Okay, Randy, take a look at this one. So 4 times 3 equals what? 就是3个4相乘，对不对？ So 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so if minus 2 times 3, that means, oh, sorry. Yeah. So there are, so sorry, I'm going to do like that. So 4 threes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Minus 2 threes, another 2 threes. So what's the left? So 2, 如果把这3个想成一只苹果，就是4只苹果减去2只苹果，你们懂不懂？几只苹果？4只苹果减去2只苹果等于几只苹果？
I can't see 2.
或是2只苹果。 Okay, 好。9 times 1.4 minus 5 times, sorry. Plus 1.4. Everybody, this one. Let's take a look at this one. Give me the answer.
老师，
老师去把门关一下啊。那做出来的小朋友把答案发给我，用 chat。OK， 我看到，哎，只有一个人发给我啦。
那个是我错呀，我要改。
OK，Enzo，你还是在算啊，Enzo，我跟你说，如果你在刚才听我的课的话，你就不会出这个答案，不可能。OK，calculating is not needed。我们不要你用任何笔，不要你用任何纸，用看把这个题目答案做出来。OK，我们来看一下这道题目啊。So if you understand what is the meaning of calculation, the multiplication， 你们就会做了。9 times 1.4 什么意思啊？9个苹果，把它这个数重复出现的那个数就当成苹果。我问你，9个苹果加上1个苹果等于几只苹果 ？10. So 10 times 1.4 equals what? 14. Correct, everybody? Correct? Okay, so let's just review this one as well. So 1.4 times 10, 1.4 times 100, 1.4 times 1,000, 1.4 times 10,000. So everybody, I'm going to call your name. Each of you give me the answer, okay? Elaine first. 1.4 times 10 equals what? Elaine. Chapter, 你是 Elaine 吗？ Okay, Elaine's first questions.
14.
Very good. Second one, chapter. Oh, sorry. 14. Chapter, what is the next one?
140.
Thank you. And Potato King?
Yay, 1,040.
1,040. 1,040. 大家对吗？
Oh, no, 1,400.
Thank you. 1,400. And last but not the least, Avon, can you give me the answer?
140000.
140000. Very good. 14000. So how to read it, Avon?
14,000.
14,000. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the question again. Okay, the earlier question. Everybody, without paper, without pencil, I want you to give me the answer immediately. Okay, so this time is give me the answer.
Is A equals 1
Equals 1.
times.
Okay, so Enzo, I want you to take a look at this one. So in this equation, what kind of thing has been repeated?
1 over 2.
1.5, right? 1 and 1 over 2. Very good. So this one, whenever it's repeating, I want you to think this one as an apple. Okay, so can you explain to me? So 4 times apple equals what? 4 apples. Understand? 3 times apple equals
3 apples.
那以4个苹果减去1个苹果等于几个苹果？ 1 apple. So apple equals what? 1.5. So the answer is 1.5. Understand, everybody? Now you all you understand, right? Now I think all you understand. Okay, so now let's do it another one. Okay, so 4.8 times 10,000 plus 5.2 times 10,000. What is the answer? Everybody who get the answer, just to yell it out loud. "有做好的吗？跟老师一样啊。Brandy, Evan 想好了 Elaine 想好。在这个式子里面 what is the repeating part? I have received Athene. Give me 5. Athene, good job. Give me 5. 快点。你这是个那个坏熊猫，真是。然后，那你这样子，你就哈哈哈哈哈。Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. Okay, very good. Okay, Potato King. Potato King. Potato King, remind you with the how many zeros are there? Okay, Potato King, think about it. Brandy, good job. Very good. Brandy, good job. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Chapter, good job. Very good. Chapter, very good. You're starting to understand. So this is the apple. This is the apple. Understand, Elaine? Right? Because these two numbers repeated, right? So now 4.8 apples plus 5.2 apples. That means how many apples are there? 10 apples there. So the answer is 100,000. Good job. Okay.
Oh,
so
I added an extra 0.
Yeah, you make an extra 0. So 4.8 times 10 minus 3.8 times 10. What is the answer?
No.
Okay, very good, Brandy. Very good, Avon. Good job. Avon the fish, you understood it. Okay, Avon 你怎么了？今天好像很难过的样子。Athene 你要看看啊 ，Athene 啊，4.8减去3.8等于多少？So this one, Elaine, I want to ask you a very simple question, okay, Elaine? So in this equation, what kind of number has been repeated?
10.
Very good. So can we make 10 as a black apple? Okay,
Yeah.
so 4.8 apples minus 3.8 apples. So how many apples has left?
1.
Very good. So 1 times 10 equals 10. Understand? Understand? Everybody? Okay, very good. I think everybody understand right now. So now I'm going to make it harder for you, okay? No, I want to make it, I don't want you to calculate it. Okay, so everybody, what is the answer for this one? By just looking at them. Okay, I have received chapter, Athene, Brandy, Potato. Let me see who's the first one. Potato King, congratulations. You get the first place this time. Woohoo! Second place goes to Brandy. And third one go to Evan. The fish. Woohoo! Evan, 你今天好 low 啊，今天一点都不高兴的样子。怎么了？你跟老师说说，谁欺负你了？谁把你的水抽干了？啊？
Be tired.
Oh, okay. 我还以为是有那个小猫把你的水抽干了呢。Okay, so everybody, I think you all understand. Enzo, do you understand how to do this?
我不知道，你可以 explain 吗？
你不懂？那老师问你一下，在这个题目里面有什么东西出现了，重复出现？
times 2.
Yeah, so make this one as an apple. Apple, apple, apple. Okay, so 4.8 times 8 times apple equals what? 4.8个苹果，加上9.1个苹果，加上6.1个苹果。So all you need to do, 4.8 plus 1.1 and 6.1 and times 2. So these all plus together equals 20. So 20 times 2 equals 40. Understand?
好了，
Okay, so everybody, we're going to go back to this one. Very good. 我们刚才迅速的学了很多东西, okay? So now let's move forward, okay? So A, B, C, 3 questions. Please count them and give me the answer by chatting, okay? 我看谁先做好啊？3个答案一起发啊，不能说一个一个发，一个一个发不算的啊。
I can't see your screen.
Huh?
I can't see your screen.
Oh my God. Can you see it?
No. All it says is Carrie Lou has started screen sharing.
Huh? Yeah, I'm starting
What?
a screen share. Maybe it's just very slow.
Okay.
现在有吗？
No,
我把这个发给你妈妈吧，好不好？
it happened to me before. It just when it's done loading, it just turns black.
是吧？
This one isn't even done loading yet.
我先找到 Evan， 现在看到吗 ？Evan， 你现在能看到吗？还是不行？我把这个发给你妈妈，好不好？我把这个发给你妈妈，让你妈妈给你。OK， 好。
But my mom is picking up my sister.
Okay. Do you have an email? I can send it to your email.
Well, I can't figure out my iPod's password.
啊？那我怎么发给你？
Send me what?
Send me by where? How do I send it to you?
Send what to me?
Yeah, like this one. 就我们现在在做的这个。
Then let me think. Maybe I could try leaving and then re-coming back in.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I have received a lot of students. I think. 哎呦 Brandy 还自己稍微改了一下 very good. Okay, Athene is the first. No, the Brandy is the first one. Congratulations. Athene is the second. Potato King is the third. Okay, chapter 加油啊 OK， 我们来看一下啊，对不对啊 So Evan, can you see it right now?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so the first one is 3 times 3 times 4, but everybody you need to minus 1 times 1 times 4. So this one is what? 9 minus 1. So it's 8 times 4 equals 32. So the first question is 32. Second one, I'm going to do it by layer. So 3 times 3 times 4. So it's how many of them? Or sorry, 3 times 4. What I'm doing. 3 times 4 is 12. So 11, the first layer. The second layer is 6 plus 1. So 7. The third layer is 5. And the fourth layer is 4, 2, 1. So 7. So the answer is 16 plus 14 equals 30. Oh yeah, Potato King, you get one missing. And Chapter, congratulations. Athene, congratulations. Brandy, very good. Brandy 还有时间改 Good job. Still the first one. Very good. So the number 3.
你不会做啊？不会做
1、2、3、4、5，中间3行都是4个满足的，对不对 ？So 3 times 4. Okay, plus 3 times 2. Plus 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So the answer is 12 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2. So the answer is 21 plus 6 equals 27. 哎呀，最后一道题大家的是我做错了吗？让我再做一遍啊。 一个、两个、三个、四个、四个、四个、三个、两个、一个，一二三四10加上24，我算错了 ，I'm sorry，一二三四加10加4。Yeah, you're right. 24 is the final answer. I'm sorry. I think you got it right. Brandy, 中间这一条这个忘了数了。哎呀 ，so bad. I think 你全对。chapter 全对。好了，因为我看做的快还没有用啊，做的对才有用啊，所以现在第一名变成 Athene，第二名变成 chapter。OK。大家在发答案的时候还要看一看 ，OK？ So now let's move forward to this one. Okay, so we're going to move
不会
forward.
快问。
So let's take a look at this one. How many triangles are there in each of the following figures? 怎么了？
你把我作业拿到过来了吗？
什么作业？
数学。
没有啊，我没拿。你白做啦？找不着啦？I'm sorry。你是不是带到学校里没拿回来？Okay, so the first question, very good. How many triangles are there? I still remember I taught Lilac this one. Lilac, do you still remember this? Okay, so first of all, we need to count the single triangles. So Brandy, 1, 2, 3. Get it? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when we have the single one, so that means in just one single one, 3 of them. So let's do the 2 triangles combined together, get 1. So 1, 2. So there are 2 triangles. And 3 is 3 triangles combined all together. How many of them? 1. So altogether, there are 6 of the triangles for the number A. Understand, everybody? Okay, so for the number B, that's why it is even same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 2. So 2 triangles combined together, there are 3, and 3 triangles combined together will be 2, and 4 triangles combined together will be only 1. So it's 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10. Okay, everybody? Based on this one, can you immediately tell me how many triangles are there? Sorry, I know I draw horrible, but you know what it is. Okay, I'm going to clear these 2 for you for the help. This one is 3, 2, 1. This is 4, 3, 2, 1. So who can tell me for this question, for this triangle, how many triangles are there altogether?
21.
Make sure you get it right, okay?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Fine. I'll check.
Mm? 好呀。
Yeah, I'm sure it's
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? Because why this is 6? 你看这里有几个？3个三角形，所以3加2加1。这里呢有4个三角形，1、2、3、4，所以是4加3加2加1。那这个呢？1、2、3、4、5、6，6个三角形， 那就是6加5加4加3加2加1。So the answer is 21. And congratulations, Potato King. You're the first one. Get it right. Okay, so everybody, before we move to the second layer, we're going to do this one, okay? Boys and girls, I'm going to ask you. How many triangles are there? Your turn.
I can't see your screen again.
啊，那你就 Evan，你要再退出去啊。Evan, I think
Okay.
at the same time，你不能 change screen，你一直在这个地方，应该是因为我 change screen 了，所以我每次 change screen 你都要出去一次，然后再回来。
Okay. Also, I know the answer.
Okay, send it to
Yes.
me, Angel.
Same. I need to send it first. No, I calculated it wrong.
Potato King, how did you do this? 啊，你是怎么做到刷屏的
No.
Oh my God. So let's count. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8加7加6加5加4加3加2加1. So the answer is 9, 9, 9, 9. How many nines are there, Brandy? 4 times 9 equals 36. Get it? I want you to do it quick. I want you to do it right. Get it, boys and girls? Okay, so that is my requirement. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Evan. 我现在换一下，你是不是又要再进来一下 ？Let's take a look at this one. Maybe. 现在能看到吗？哦，现在能看到。Okay, very good. Okay, how many squares are there in each of the following figure, A and B? Okay, this time I'm looking for squares. Okay, squares. 我不能再提醒你们了啊。
Do rectangles count?
Very good question. So how many squares are there? I didn't say anything, okay? I'm a very fair teacher.
Oh, 是我们 send 吗？
可以啊，你 send 给我啊。2道题啊，有2道题呢。It's not just one. Okay, I have received some answers. Brandy, 你给了我一个答案，一个数字，你能不能把2个答案同时再发给我一遍，好不好？因为我不清楚你到底哪个答案是哪个。Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, so the first question I have emphasized, how many squares are there in each of the following figure? So I want to ask a chapter. What does square mean?
Um, all the sides are equal.
Yeah, all the sides are equal. Very good. All the sides are equal. So let's take a look at this one. Of course, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 6, just a single one. So do we have 2 squares combined together will form a square again? No, it is not forming a square. It is forming a rectangle. Okay, so if the question is asking you, how many rectangles are there? All the square could be counted. Why? Because square is a special form of rectangle, but rectangle is not square. Square is rectangle. Rectangle is not square. So that's why we don't have 2, we don't have 3. All of a sudden we go to 4. So 1 and 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. And there's no more. So that's why for the first question, there are 8 altogether squares. Let me see how many of you get it right, okay? Athene, congratulations, good job. Potato King, get it right. Okay, very good. So the first question is 8. Okay, so now let's take a look at, I have seen some questions answers like 21. You see, 哦，这边是6个，所以跟刚才一样。哎，三角形和正方形的数法可不一样哦。Okay, now let's move, still doing this one. I changed this question as, how many rectangles are there for the A? Okay, so everybody do it again. Okay, so now let's count. Okay, so still all the squares could be counted as well. So 6 plus what? So let's do 2. Okay, 2个拼起来的长方形. 1, 2, 3. Is it more? Of course. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 of them. So 3 combined together. Yes, 1 and 2. So 4 blocks coming together. 1 and 2. And 5, sorry, no more because 5 is not a rectangle. And 6, just 1. So the answer is 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So the answer is 13 plus 5 equals 18. If this question is asking you how many rectangles are there, you can do something like that. Understand, Brandy? Okay, understand, Enzo? Okay, so now everybody, number B. We're still having the same question. How many squares are there? Okay, how many squares are there? So I'm not going to help you. You're going to do yourself. Okay, and I want you to do this. The first question is how many squares? The second question is how many rectangles are there? So I want you to give me, still send me 2 answers. But this time is the first one is how many squares in this figure, then how many rectangles in this figure. Okay, so now let's just count. How many squares are there? So when you come to squares, only coming with one square or 4 combined together or 9. Okay, so this is what? 1 squared, 2 squared, and 3 squared, right? Because for the square, each of the line must be the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of them will be single. So 4 is 1 and 2. And that's it because there's no 9s existing. So the answer is 11. Congratulations, Brandy. Congratulations, Potato King. And only 2 of you sent me the answer and you're right. Okay. So now I'm looking for the number 2. How many rectangles? This part is harder. Okay. So still the first one is only 1 blocks, right, Chapter? Okay. So still 9. There's no problem. So how about 2? This is a little bit complicated. Okay. Just be patient. We do from straight, then flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So altogether, there are 10. Okay, so if I have 3 blocks combined together, so 3 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and straight 5. So there are 5 of them. I know there are so many. And let's take a look at 4 combined together. So 1 and 2. And don't get me wrong, there's more because you know what? 4 of them could be also like this one. So 4 is 4 of them. So how about 5? 5 just 1. Do we have 6? Yes. Do we have 7? No. Do we have 8? No. Do we have 9? No. So the answer is 10, 10, 10. So the answer is 30 rectangles. Can you believe that? Yes, there are 30 rectangles hiding there. Okay. So boys and girls, we're going to stop here because part of them is your homework. I want you to just little by little, just counting them. Just don't worry about it because I think we're all there. We don't worry about it. Okay. So now let's just move back to the first sheet. Okay. So this is a part like looks very scary, but let me tell you one thing. I can do that without calculating again. So today is just all the things about brain working. Okay. I know that your parents probably tell you like, oh, 每件事情都要打草稿。那如果老师教你们一个方法，不用打草稿就能把答案做出来，高不高兴？ It's even better, right? Okay, so let me just give you a question, okay? So I give you a question like, let me just using my calculator. I randomly make a calculation. So 4.2 times 8.6 equals 4.2 times 8.6 equals 36.12. Okay, so this one looks very scary, right? But Enzo, can you please 把你的头拿起来，好不好? Okay, so if I give you 3 times 4 equals 12. So Enzo, 12 divided by 3 equals what?
Equal 4.
So 12 divided by 4 now?
Equal 3.
Very good. So if you know this one, I want to ask all of your questions. So 36.12 divided by 8.6 equals what? Chapter?
4.2.
Very good. So 36.12 divided by 4.2 equals what? Elaine? Elaine? Equals what?
8.6.
Very good. 8.6. Okay, so this one's very easy. So now let's go to the next step. Elaine, 专心啊, okay? So we're getting harder. Okay, you need to be focusing. So now let's take a look at this one. If you know everything about here, right? So now I'm going to move forward to here. First, I'm just going to clear this one. And I'm going to be a very nice teacher. I'm going to be very helpful. I put something here, okay? So, where's my fall? Okay, So now everybody take a look, okay? 3.6, no. 我们先做乘法. So how about 42 times 8.6 equals what? Can you give me the answer by just looking? How do we make 4.2 to 42? Everything is the same. 这个乘以了10，对不对？那答案也乘以10. So the answer is 361.2.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Get it? Get it? Okay. So now I'm going to give you another one, okay? 4.2 times 86, sorry. 我们帮我关一下，没有水，然后冷死了。然后那个我的袜子也没有，脚冷死了。
相当于裸体在上课呀。
你才裸体上课。那边我还留了一条小缝缝，你关上吧，好。Oh, thank you, 看看。这样，我们是动物园。
No, it's the Rick roll.
So who can tell me the answer? 还不知道啊？那不是一样的吗？跟这个一样，是乘以了10，那答案也是 361.2.
Yeah.
Get it? Okay. So now, who can tell me 42 times 86?
3,612.
3,612.
Very good. Understand, everybody? So this is how we learn math. 他不会. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So 33.612 divided by 8.6. What is the answer?
.42.
谁说的？刚才那个答案谁说的？ Brandy, good job. You get it right. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. 这个又难了啊。3.612 divided by 42.
Mm, 0.86. .6.
再看看啊。So this one divided by 10. For this one times 10. So some students think divided by 10 times 10. So there's nothing happened. So the answer is 8.6. If it is times, you get it right. If it is 4.2 times 8.6 equals 36.2, right? And this one is 42 times 0.86. So this one times 10, this one divided by 10, this one is 36.2. Very good. As long as it's times. Okay, everybody, but this time it is divide. So let me give you the quotation of divide. It's like, when divide, me to divide, it became times. It's almost like negative, me negative became positive. Do you remember? We do this one last semester, correct? Emma 还发明了 negative plus negative equals times, a plus, right? 记不记得？大家记不记得？ Do you still remember that one? Yeah? Okay, so when you see divide, meet times, it's still divide. When divide, meet divide, it will become times. So let's take a look at this one. So this one is a divide. So the answer is 8.6 divided by 10. You get it right. But this one is times 10. You see, divide and meet times is still divide. So you need to divide another 10. So the answer is 8.6 divided by 100. So the answer is 0.086. Okay, I'm going to give you more questions to practice this part. Don't worry about it. It's a little bit hard to understand. 不要弄我。So let's take a look at this one, okay? 8 divided by 2 equals 4. What is 80 divided by 20 equals 2? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 8 times 10 equals 10. 80, right? And this one times 10. So if you think that is the case, it's 4 times 10 times 10. It is wrong. But the first times 10, you can directly do it. But the second times 10, you need to think about it. What's the in front of the sign? So the thing in front of the sign is what? Is division. And division me times equals what? Equals division. So that's why this is divided by 10. So 10 times 10 divided by 10. So that's why it's still 4. Understand, everybody? Okay, you just to think about it. Give you 2 minutes.
太难了。
Okay, understand everybody? 如果不会的，现在问老师。OK， 我们现在 practice 几道题目，好不好 ？OK， so 4.2 times 8.6 equals 36.12. Okay, so 42. Sorry. 36.12 divided by 8.6 equals 4.2. So now I want you to do this one. So 361.2 divided by 86 equals what? Okay, everybody, good.你不能吃。有没有看一下啊 ？This one times 10. So immediately you put times 10 here. And this one times 10 as well. But you see, divide and times, divided by 10. If you still don't understand, I'm going to help you with another way. Fraction. Okay, everybody, take a look at this one. 361.2 divided by 86. So the original one is 61 point divided by 8.6. Everybody, times 10, times 10. Got it? The both denominator and numerator times the same number, the answer will be the same. So the answer will be still 4.2. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, don't worry about it. We're going to just go through some questions, easy questions. Okay, so this question will be using, this is part of a homework. Okay, 就用今天老师教过你们的方法做，如果做不出来没关系，我们下一次会讲这道题目，好不好 ？OK， 第二题非常简单 ，James， Oh my God。James mixed a 0.125 syrup A with 0.375 liter of syrup B and 0.25 liter of syrup C. What was the value of the mixture? Okay, everybody, first questions, please send it to me by chat. The answer 太简单了啊。Okay, chapter, congratulations, first place, and you get it right. Potato King 打屁股了啊，打屁股，打屁股，打屁股呀，打屁股。再仔细看看啊。Have fun, Daddy. 鹏鹏在干嘛？
在写什么？上了几点？
已经用到8点。Athene，你看看，到现在为止还是只有 chapter 对。
I don't know volume.
Just to plus them together. Okay, Athene, good job. You change it and you get it right. 哎呀 ，Potato King 到现在还不知道怎么回事啊？我看你要打屁股了。So 0.125 is a liter of syrup. 就是它这个 Evan 你懂吗？就是说它 syrup A 有0.125，OK？syrup P 有0.25，syrup C 有0.375。So all you need to do is just plus them together. Get it? 375, yeah. So it's 0, 5, 7, 0. So the answer is 0.75 liters. Enzo. So where this one comes from? Okay, so there's no three things. It's just don't look at the volume. It says the liter. Liter 就是就水一升一升的 ，OK？ So 瓶子里面有多少 ？Understand? So Brandy, calculation is having a problem. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Ryan bought a portable hard drive for $74.95 and a thumb drive for $23.50. He gave the cashier
I would
$1
not buy
bill.
that.
How much change did he receive? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. If Ryan could get this one right or not. Chapter 比 Ryan 很快。Chapter good job. Ryan, good job. Chapter, good job. Both of you get it right. Brandy, good job. Get it right. So I am going to 你跑上跑下来干嘛? So let's take a look at this one. So $100 minus 74.95 minus 23.5, right? For everybody, I want you to start into this. It's 100 minus 74.95 plus 23.550. So we do this one first. 98.45. So 100 minus it equals 1.55. Okay, so let's take a look at number 4. Very good. So number 4. Avon, good job. Very good. Okay, very good. 第四题. Arthur bought 7 pens for $1.32. He gave the cashier $20 bill. How much change did he receive? Potato King, 你在吃什么呢？
不知道。
不用关，不用关，灯关了就行。Okay, I have received the first answer. Chapter for the third time roll on the first place. Very good. 太棒了. Very good. Congratulations. Lilac 掉出去。 Okay, everybody, I have received all of yours answer and congratulations. The one who sent me the answer. All right, all of you. Good job. Very good. Proud of you, all of you, okay? So 1.32 times 7 and 20 minus it. Sorry, the answer will be 10.76. Very good. Good job. Okay, so now let's take a look at number 5. Okay, a bottle holds 6 ounces of cough syrup. If May needs to drink 0.4 ounces of cough syrup each day, in how many days will she finish it?加油 ！Potato King， 你不能一边吃东西一边做。哎，Athene 掉出去，今天怎么回事？小朋友们集体跳楼。Okay, I have received chapter's answer, Brandy's answer. Chapter， 哎呦 ，chapter 刚才说了一下，厉害了，现在全部都是 chapter 第一个啊。Very good. A bottle holds 6 ounces of cough syrup. A May needs to drink 0.4 ounces of coughing syrup each day. In how many days will she finish it? 6 divided by 0.4. Very good, Potato King. Good job. Equals 60. So some students said, 老师，我不会做这个除法。哎，我们学过的除法就是什么？除法就是 fraction， 就等于6除以 0.4， 对不对？ So 6 over 0.4不会做怎么办？都乘以10，把它变成整数。60除以4，60除以4怎么办？ Yeah, 60 divided by 2 equals 30. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Get it? Okay, so we have learned division equals fraction. Fraction can be transferred to whole number. Understand, everybody? So 15 days. Very good. Okay, so boys and girls, I think that's it for our today's class. So our homework will be finish till number 11, okay? So the later on questions, if you want to do it, it's fine. OK， 我给大家看一下啊，不要到时候又说我们从第1页一直做到第4页 ，OK？ 第1页做到第4页，然后呢，后面的我们下一节课的时候讲。但是如果你想自己先预习一下，可以 ，OK？ 好了，数方块的题目10、11一直到15都要做完 ，Understand？ So 1 to 4 and 10 to 15. Let me see. It's what's 10 to 15. So our homework will be 1 to 4 and 10 to 15. So that means 5 to 10. Do we have to do it? No, but if you want to prepare it for the next class, you can do it. Understand, chapter? Understand, Evan? Lilac? Okay, don't say, 哦，我有这么多作业，老师，这个1到4我们已经都一起做过了，10到15也做了3页了。So basically, you only do 2 pages yourself. Get it? So am I a good teacher? Am I a good teacher? Okay, so that's it. No, 我看到 Brandy 在摇头。Okay, so boys and girls, that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.